now wala pa akong masabi nun kasi sinama ng dati kong asawa yung pangalan ng tatlong anak ko sa case namin. Inside the circle of gang order. Kaya wala akong masabi. Although I hate the idea, wala
You don't
akong
communicate with them.
Yun ang hindi ginagawa ng hindi nakikipag-cooperate sila, which is actually against the law. Kasama yung sa ano namin, agreement namin, pero hindi nila ginagawa.
So you mean, sir, sinubukan niyo po talaga na i-exhaust niyo yung ways niyo to keep your communication or to reach out to them, right?
Of course, yeah, as a father, yes.
So when was the
I
last
have
time na?
Oo.
no choice. Because ever
Bubay-
since lumaki sila, pinanganak sila, it has been my passion.
So when was the last time na nakita mo sila or nakausap?
Tagal. Tagal na ako. And buti lang nag-work ako, nag-paint ako, may pelikula. But if you're going to ask me kung sa part na yun kung masaya ako,
How much do you miss him?
I miss him more than my life.
Kung mother,
Alungkot.
hindi na
Alungkot.